Python, machine learning, big data, AI, deep tech. These are the buzzwords of the modern world. But amidst all the excitement, there's a student from a biology background who hears about these topics every day, feeling lost and overwhelmed. They struggle to even take the first step, unable to find guidance that connects their passion for bioscience with the ever-expanding realm of technology. But what if there was a way to bridge that gap? Introducing the skill development program Coding to ML Foundation's CMLF, specifically designed for biologists who want to learn coding, machine learning, and the tools to navigate this deep tech revolution. This program offers step-by-step guidance through Python, R, and machine learning with hands-on sessions, real-world biological datasets, expert mentorship from international faculty, and flexible timelines. Whether you're a beginner or ready for intermediate learning, this course simplifies complex concepts, helping you to build your confidence and move forward on your journey to success. Check out the full brochure and see how this program can transform your future.